I wrote Her Corner Office shortly after I began my business in 2001. I was fortunate enough to have been asked to coach 6 women. A gentleman by the name of James White and I had become friends. We became friends by a mutual connection, her name being Polly Dolan. And James was trying to get some things going at his organization and asked me if I'd come and speak to his group. And I did, and it was my pleasure to do it. And he tried to pay me every time, and I just said absolutely not, because I was just really honored that he had asked me to be a part of it. And so when I left the corporate world, he called me because Polly had told him that I was on the market, and he said, why don't you come work for me? And I said, no, I'm done with corporate America. I really want to use my gifts and talents to reshape corporate America and, you know, make it be a place where everybody could thrive, no matter your gender or your background. And so he said, well, let me call you back in a couple of days. And about 3 or 4 days later, he called me back and he says, well, if I can't hire you, I want to be your first client. And I want to give you 6 women, and I want you to get them ready to become VP levels and members of the C-suite. And thank God, 5 of the 6 are well beyond VPs. They're CMOs and SVPs and things of that nature, and so they've done exceptionally well. But in the process of coaching them, they would inevitably say, do you have that written somewhere? I'd give them some advice, or I'd ask them some question, and they'd say, is that written somewhere? And I said, not yet, but I guess it will have to be written. And so I started capturing my thoughts on paper and made the commitment to write the book. And I really wrote the book because I believe that women have been disadvantaged in the fact that they don't know what it takes to succeed in corporate America, in the business world. And so I wanted to capture not just insights, but practical strategies that would help women and others, particularly people of color, understand the unwritten rules, if you will, that would allow them to be able to navigate for success. And so I'm very fortunate to have had the book be distributed around the country, and knock on wood, many people are experiencing success.